So you've got a beard, but you don't know how to take care of it. You might be new to having a beard, maybe you've had it for 20 years. A lot of us are not taught how to properly take care of our beard. So these are the 3 essential steps that every single beard needs. Doesn't matter if your beard is short, super long, or somewhere in between, your beard needs these 3 steps. So step number 1 is washing. This may go without saying, but you should be washing your beard. What a lot of folks don't realize is that you shouldn't wash your beard with shampoo or Irish Spring soap. You should wash your beard with something that's actually designed for washing it, like a beard wash. I really like this Tremendous Whip beard wash. It's really gentle on the skin. I find a lot of stuff out there, especially shampoos, are really drying. And so this stuff, really gentle. It also foams up really nicely. So basically, you want to wet your beard. All right, now that my beard's wet, I can use my beard wash. You don't need a whole lot of this stuff. I find about a dime or quarter size amount works really well, and it foams up really nicely in the hands. It takes a minute to get going because it's a little bit stiff, but with a little bit of work, you'll get a nice lather that you can then rub into your beard. And that's why I like this beard wash so much. After a long day at work or a workout, getting this nice foamy minty beard wash actually feels really nice on my skin and on my face. So you just work it through evenly throughout. If you need a little more water, add a little more water. But what you really want to be doing is getting down to the skin and scrubbing it. It's going to break down all the dirt and oils in your beard, anything that's built up over the day, you know, some of that ramen you had or your burger, and it's going to get everything out. Now you've washed your beard, it's time to rinse it. All right, now that my beard is rinsed and towel dried, I can throw some conditioner into it. I'm gonna use the Tremendous Leave-In Cream and Conditioner. This stuff's great because it moisturizes the hair, but also the skin. A lot of folks neglect the skin underneath their beard and they just worry about the hair. That can lead to beard dandruff or acne, so it's really good to take care of both. So just take a little bit of the cream and just gently work it through each section of your beard. Now, every time you wash your beard, you're gonna wanna moisturize it with something. Washing is great to cleanse out excess oil and dirt, but it can sometimes leave things a little dry. Now you can use a leave-in conditioner like I'm using today. You can also use one in the shower, and Tremendous makes another great beard conditioner that you use in the shower. But again, I like this leave-in because it's great for the hair and the skin. I'll use it every time I'll wash. I'll also use it as needed. I find some days my beard's just feeling really kind of dry and unpleasant, and I'll work it in there whenever I feel like it. Oils work great too, but they're more for getting to the core of the hair and keeping it strong and healthy. I really like the leave-in creams as a daily moisturizer. Then you can use the oils more for presentation when you're leaving the house and that sort of thing. So I've got my conditioner in there. Things are looking nice and tidy. The last thing that every beard needs is a good brushing. Again, it doesn't matter how long the beard is. If you've only had it for 3 or 4 weeks, it's time to get yourself a brush. Boar bristle brushes are really important because they straighten out and realign the hair. They also keep it nice and tame, so all those strays that want to poke out everywhere are generally gonna calm down and get in line. They can give your beard some direction as well. My beard tends to want to grow off to the right, and so I can use the brush, now that it's been softened up by the conditioner, and really nicely control it and kind of just bring it downwards rather than having it all swoop off to one side. Again, it's good for the mustache, and if you're not looking to use a mustache wax per se, a regular brushing will help to keep it off your lip. I try to brush for about 5 minutes a day. Not necessarily in the morning. I'll do a quick brush like this in the morning, and then if I'm just sitting on my desk or hanging out watching TV, that's when I'll do a little extra brushing. That's really going to help the hair to relax and stay healthy. So there we go. Those are the 3 essential steps to taking care of your beard. Now you can use oils, balms, lots of other great stuff, but if you follow these 3 initial steps, that'll get you started. You'll have a much happier beard, and then you can experiment from there. If you ever have questions about things to do to take care of your beard, how to shave better, anything like that, get in touch with us, leave a comment, visit us on our website, come to one of our shops. We'd be happy to help, and hopefully you get a little bit out of this. Thanks so much for tuning in today, folks. Happy bearding.